went to a party, Mom. I remember what you said. You told me not to drink, Mom, so I drank soda instead. I felt really proud, Mom, the way you said I would. I didn't drink and drive, Mom, even though others said I should. I know I did the right thing, Mom. I know you're always right. Now the party is finally ending, and everyone's driving out of sight. As I got into my car, Mom, I knew I'd get home in one piece. Because of the way you raised me, so responsible and sweet. I started to drive away, Mom, but as I pulled into the road, the other car didn't see me, and it hit me like a load. As I lay there on the pavement, Mom, I hear the policeman say, "Hope is drunk, Mom, and now I'm the one to pay." I'm lying here dying, Mom, and I wish you would get here soon. How could this happen to me, Mom? My life just burst like a balloon. There's blood all around me, and most of it is mine. I hear the medics say I'll die in a short time. I just wanted to tell you, Mom, I swear I didn't drink. It was the others, Mom. The others. They didn't think. She didn't know where she was going, Mom. She was at a party down the road. The only difference is she drank, and I'm the one to pay. Why do people drink, Mom? It can take someone's life. I'm feeling sharp pains now. Pains just like a knife. My friend who hit me is walking, Mom, and I don't think it's fair. I'm lying here dying while she can only stare. Someone should have told them, Mom, not to drink, smoke, and drive. If only they had told them, Mom, I would still be alive. Tell Kayla not to cry. Tell Seth to be brave. And when I go to heaven, Mom, put Daddy's girl on my grave. My breath is getting short, Mom, and I'm becoming really scared. Please don't cry for me, Mom, because when I needed you, you were always there. I have one more question, Mom, before I say goodbye. I didn't drink and drive, so why am I the one to die?